The influence of digital RMB on the digital rural revitalization of Henan province. By Wenbo Liu and Minqi Zheng. With the virtual development of the digital economy, the promotion and use of digital RMB as an emerging digital currency plays a significant role in the implementation of China's rural revision strategy. Taking Henan province as an example, this paper discusses the impact of the promotion of digital RMB on the digital revision of rural areas in Henan province. Through an in-depth analysis of the current situation of digital rural construction in Henan province and combining the characteristics of digital RMB, this study reviews the positive role of digital RMB in promoting the conservation of rural financial services, enhancing the vitality of the rural economy, and improving the digital skills of rural residents. This paper uses the case study method to examine the practical situation of digital RMB promotion in some rural areas of Henan province in detail. By collecting and analyzing relevant data, it shows the application effect of digital RMB in promoting the construction of digital villages in Henan province. The research results show that the promotion of digital RMB has a significant impact on improving the popularity of rural financial services, promoting the development of rural e-commerce, and enhancing farmers' income. It has important reference value for advancing the rural revision strategy in Henan province and even in China as a whole. This paper also discusses the problems and challenges in the promotion of digital RMB and proposals corresponding to policy recommendations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.